People keep asking me where the 2 valve went, and it really didn't go anywhere. I mean, it kinda did. I sold it to my good friend Zane in order to fund the red Terminator. But even though it doesn't belong to me, don't think you guys aren't gonna see it on the channel all the time. For example, today, the 2 valve gets a major facelift.
Like old times.
Ready to see the coolest tool valve you've ever seen?
Whoa, look at that, dude. What is that right there, bro?
Professionally painted. Cold air intake, by the way.
Bro, what is this, man? Where's the Torque Tech, man?
Torque Tech's gone.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. It is the end of an era. We're going to be dissecting the 𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘀. It was fun while it lasted. Very fun. Short-lived, but unfortunately, well, not fortunately, I got plans, but unfortunately, those plans require sacrifices. So, sacrifice number 1 is to pull the supercharger kit off the car and inevitably sell the car. So, that's bad news, but it's okay, because once you guys see what I'm going to get, what's being put together, what my next project is, you guys will like it. So, let the build commence by unbuilding and destroying this lovely thing.
Torque Tech is gone.
Torque Tech is gone forever.
The soul of the Torque Tech lives on, though.
Alright, so Zane got some of these DRL headlights here. Okay, get the slow-mo on this one. Woo! Crispy, crispy. If I were you, I would take this opportunity to clean your wheels nice and good since they're off the car, easier to get to. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, if we chop off the top, we'll still gain some distance. Like we just cut it right there. Alright, so we put the new shocks on, both springs are in, we put the wheels on, got to jack it up, throw on some ramps, drive it down, maybe take it on the street, see how the shocks feel, let the suspension settle. I have a feeling that it's probably overshooting the back. The back was always a little bit higher of the car, so it was like a small rake. I think it's going to be squatted now, so hopefully we don't have any problems there, but maybe even if we do, it's not a big deal. We'll just lower the front too and then even it out. The car will be lowered, it'll look really good.
Cleaned up the wheels as well. Look 10 times better.
I can tell you the back end of the car feels so much better.
That's going to put the front tucked almost as low as your car though, right?
My car wasn't this high when I cut half a coil on it though. It was a little bit lower than this already. It's pretty worn out. It wasn't doing much to begin with, but it's doing something.
Yeah, well, it won't be doing anything.
All right, gents. We got the front spring here. Front of the car is still too high, so.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. I know it looks like a freaking absolute mess right now, but we just got the springs chopped on the front, already done the back. So thank God that's over. It's definitely taken some time to chop all these springs. We chopped a half quilt all the way around and took the isolators out in the front. So after it settles, it should be a little low in the front. Hopefully Zane can get onto his driveway. We might be parking on the street, but you know, race car thing. Anyway,
I doubt it.
we've got this awesome splitter here that he got off Amazon. I'll give you my honest review of it. I told him to buy it with caution. You never know how these splitters are, but this is a OEM replacement Cobra one. What was it, like 150 bucks, 180?
Came in quite a bit of wrapping, so.
It definitely was packed excessively well, which never complain about good packing job. Hopefully I don't absolutely butcher it on the way out.
Oh!
Got some mounting hardware there, very nice. Packing is 10 out of 10, of course. Already I can tell you that much. It's very well packed. I've always wanted to put this on this car, but I was never bougie enough to get one. So, Zane here, again, better work ethic than me. But overall, very nice. It's very straight.
Ooh.
So if you come down here, you'll see these tabs right here. And I think this kind of just slides up into those tabs. Like so.
It was made for it after all.
Yeah, it was. It comes with through hardware, so you put it through washer, and then a little bolt or nut on the other side.
Yes.
See, that's the pre-existing holes. There's about like, let's say 10 of them all the way around the bumper. And what you do is there's a hole right here, as you can see. You just stick this through this, and then the pre-existing hole in the bumper, and then you just put a nut on the other side. Friggin' ricers. So as you guys can see, that is the screw that goes to the bottom through the splitter, and up here is it coming through, and there's the nut and washer on it. I went ahead and got it pretty tight, so that's what it looks like in there on that side, and on that side this is the supplied hardware that they give you. Alright guys, as you can see, the splitter is on there and it looks pretty good, but this side kind of has like this weird lip to it, which I don't like, as you may or may not be able to tell. I feel like if with a little bit like of dremeling and some adjustment, this side's much better, but still a bit weird and also out a little bit on the edge. I feel like with a little bit of Dremel work, you could get it pretty perfect. But for right now, it's pretty late at night. We're trying to just wrap up our project here. It'll be good for now. But it definitely is a nice piece, and you know, considering this is an aftermarket Amazon piece, I definitely do recommend it. It looks very good down there, and it'll definitely set the car off once it's on the ground. So yeah, let's get on to these DRL, whatever they call them, headlights.
Let's see what all this fuss is about.
See what all the fuss is about. Got this goofy custom freaking headlight piece right there. Someone lost one.
That's Blake Special right there.
I think when I was installing the supercharger kit, when the car was down for like 7 months, I like made that because when I put the car together, that was the only part. That and the transmission, like where it meets that little like inspection plate thing, those are the only two pieces of this car that I could not find to put it back together when like the year it was down. Now if you look in here, there's 3 wires. I think one of those wires is for the blinker, and I think the other wire is for the running lights. And the one for the running lights is what I'm going to be wiring in for our DRL. So yeah, let's get to it.
Oh. Oh, dude.
It's looking pretty sweet, man.
Dude.
I hear them coming. Sheesh. Damn, son. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Pleasant strange this bad unit. Put on the new headlights, the splitter. Everything so far has extraordinarily good quality. I really like the headlights. I really like the splitter. The links to everything that was put on the car here today will be in the description below. So definitely go check them out. Yeah, guys, if you like the content, show some love. With that being said, thanks for watching. Take it easy.